But seriously though, how's my hair?
How's my hair?
It's really good.
Yeah?
It's like perfect.
Yeah, thank you.
What is up guys, Alex Boyer here and Bao Magic. Hey. I'm so excited, dude. I've been waiting for this for such a long time. Bao is finally on the channel.
We're finally here.
Finally here. You guys are in for a massive treat, by the way, okay? He's gonna teach you, what's the name of it?
We
don't know yet.
I don't know. I'll tell you a name because I feel like X-cut is like...
X-cut? Yeah, I mean...
Like there's a lot of X-cuts out there. I feel like there's already a name.
You know, let's come up with a name.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
But first let's have a look at the performance.
Oh yeah.
Roll it.
So this is the ASMR tutorial. Listen to the cards.
Oh my god, this is just a weird setup. Anyway, okay, here we go. Here's the how to do the cut, I guess, right? The how to do the cut.
Okay, so here you have a deck. This starts with a ding dong. Okay.
Buddy.
Me? We'll wait a sec.
So much chaos on this channel. So much chaos. Like it's.
Okay, so this is just a quick overview. We're gonna go in slow-mo later, but first it starts with a Z cut. Then you drop this here, and then you do another Z cut, and then we're going to the middle packet will go right under here, middle finger here, thumb here to rotate to spin this pack, and then thumb will get back in contact here. Bring the face up pack like this. Now the whole wrist turns upside down to clip with the pinky and middle finger. This pack here. This clears up like this. Thumb back here, contact with the first finger, and then it displays your cross like this. So all the fingers extend like this, it displays into a cross. This goes back. This flips back here, this flips here, and this back there. And that's what it looks like. We're gonna do a slow-mo so they can follow properly.
Do we look like rappers, gangster?
100%.
Yeah. Guys, go subscribe to Bao's channel. He teaches. This is the weirdest outro I've done in my life.
Notification bell you haven't done.
There's nothing to cut, it was perfect as it was.
Okay. Hey, what's up? And we're back. So there we go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this amazing move by Bao. Practice a lot. Most importantly, have fun with it. Go subscribe to Bao. He teaches lots of crazy stuff and vlogs as well. You have just a bunch of cool stuff on your channel, man.
Yeah.
He's exploding right now in the YouTube world. So go subscribe to him. Like this video. And my name is Alex Boyer. This is Bao. And see you guys again really soon. Boys.
See you guys.
Oh, here, Chris Ramsey. There you go. What's up, man?